Hello everyone, so quick overview of Gamebytes app. So here's the app. So the idea here is that you can play games with your friends via iMessage. So you just select game and then pick a contact you want to play with and then hit send and then you can play in iMessage. So yes, that's super easy. So you sign up, you can sign up as a guest, no email required, but you can add your Bitmoji keyboard by signing up with Snapchat and your avatar. So I just added Snapchat here. You can also verify your phone number here if I tap in the bottom. So if I want to save my progress, I will need to verify my phone number and then the progress should be saved. But as I understood, currently this app, this phone verification only accepts US numbers. So that's that. Then you have chat here. You can post a chat message. Then you have when you're playing a friend like games, they will all show up here, and that's it. So that's the game. So for example, let's select this game, Cup Pong. Then I just need to select a contact. And that's it. And then I can just tap send. It's sent. And then I guess I just need to go to my iMessage. And the game will load and you can just start playing. Yeah, so basically just go to iMessage and when the game is loading, I don't know why it takes so long, and you can just start playing. There are different types of games, so in one you should just do your part and then the second person does her or his part. In some games you just need to continuously bounce and play together, but that's the idea basically. So anyways, okay, it didn't work out, so maybe let's try to play basketball. And I will just go to iMessage. Okay, probably just because there is like a issue with send message to this contact, but anyways, you can just start playing after that. So that's the idea. Yeah, thanks for watching.